In the material interface, click the A button to open the auto leveling and the XYZ calibration interface. Click the leveling icon and make sure the build plate and the chamber are clean. The auto leveling mainly uses the sensor installed on the left nozzle to measure the positions of the 3 points on the build plate. Carry out the leveling sensor triggering test as shown on the machine main screen. After nozzle heating, uplift the left nozzle using the scraper tool. Triggering succeeded should now be displayed on the screen. Press the next button. Next is the calibration step. Clean the nozzle and the build plates, and then place the filler gauge with a 0.2 mm thickness between the nozzle and the printing build plate glass. Press the Z buttons to move up and down Z axis, so that the distance between the nozzle and the build plate glass is just enough for the gauge to fit in. Take out the filler gauge and press the calibrate button. Z-axis build plate glass firstly goes up to touch the nozzle, triggering the leveling sensor, and then goes down. Then click the next button. Press auto level to start executing the automatic leveling. The printing build plate and chamber will be preheated first. After they reach the preset temperature, the nozzle will be preheated. Only then the automatic leveling will start. After the 3 points leveling on the build plate, the completion will be shown through a pop-up on the screen. Make sure the chamber is clean and then press finish. The build plate will go down to the bottom and then go up again. The automatic leveling is now completed. The second step will be the Z calibration. Press the Z calibration icon and make sure the build plate is clean. Then press OK to start the Z calibration. Calibrate the left nozzle first. Place the gauge between the nozzle and the glass build plate. Make an approximate and then a more precise tuning with the Z buttons as shown in the video. Make sure the distance between the nozzle and the glass build plate just fits the insertion of the gauge. After tuning is OK, press next. Then you can calibrate the right nozzle exactly the same way. After tuning is completed, press the OK button to complete the Z calibration. The third step will be the XY calibration. Make sure the materials have been loaded, click the next button to start printing the calibration model. The printer will successively print the model scale with the left nozzle and the right nozzle. After completion, click the next button. The print head will move to the top left corner of the build plate. Read the scales to get the X offset value and Y offset value respectively, and select the best aligned pair of lines. For a more detailed explanation, please refer to the user manual.